What's up, guys? Look at what came in the mail today. Got the Hyper Explorer. Pretty sweet. Delivered to my house, $2.99. Can't beat that. I mean, full suspension bike at 29-inch wheels, a slacked head and tube angle, cool seat, handlebars. Looks cool. So it says that you need some basic tools to put this bike together. I mean, I have experience putting bikes together, but if you don't, I'm going to try to be helpful here. I got some metric wrenches, some metric Allen wrenches. I got Torx here. I don't think I need that though. I got an adjustable wrench, some pliers, or these are locking pliers, wire cutters, needle nose, Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and I just got zip ties here because sometimes you need to like put up a cable or something that fell down. So I think that'll be helpful. So let's open this baby up. Yeah, I wear socks with my flip-flops and pajamas when I put bikes together, but don't judge me. Anyways, all joking aside, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something, thought it was pretty cool to watch, entertaining. If you want to watch future videos about this bike and upgrades I'm going to make to it, please like and subscribe. Happy trail ride and do some wheelies. Send it.